Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain you about the global publisher layout in Salesforce. So let's jump to the topic and discuss about what are global publisher layout in Salesforce. The action would be available in the Salesforce application will be added to the global publisher layout. The global publisher layout is the applied way of mentioning to the way action are listed in the action bar in the applications. It only put into the action bar in places such as chat groups, fields, etc. Essentially only on that pages which are not related to the specific object. Now move ahead and discuss about how to create global publisher layout in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the gear icon. This is my gear icon. Click on that, and under this gear icon there are two options. First one is setup and the another one is service setup. Click on the setup option. Our setup page is open. Now enter the publisher layout in the quick find box, and we can see that the publisher layouts are present under the global action. Click on this publisher layout. The global publisher layout page is open. Under this page, we can see that the global layout option is present. Click on the added option of this global layout. The global layout page is open, and these are the action we want to see in the Lightning experience. So firstly click on the mobile and Lightning action and click on the quick contact, and we will add it to over the Lightning experience. So add it there and then click on the save button, and our publisher layout is created. Now we will learn how to create global publisher layout in Salesforce Lightning. So for this, firstly click on the profile picture. This is my profile picture. Click on that, and under this profile picture there is an option switch to Salesforce Classic. Our classic version is open, and under this classic version we can see that there is a username, and click on the drop down arrow of this username. The drop-down list is open. Under this drop-down list, we can see that lots of options are present, but we want to select the setup option. So click on the setup. The setup page is open. Now enter the publisher layout in the quick find box, and we can see that the publisher layout is present under the global action. So click on this publisher layout. The global publisher layout page is open, and under this page we can see that the global layout option is present, and we want to added this global layout. So click on the added button. The global layout page is open, and these are the action that we want to see in the Lightning experience and the classic experience. So I simply do one thing. Simply take the quick contact, and we will add this quick contact into the quick action in the Salesforce Classic Publisher, and then click on the save button. Now if I go to the home page, so click on the home, and I can see there is a lots of action are present, and we click on the more drop down arrow, and we can see that our quick contact action is available. So click on this quick contact, and you can see that. So firstly fill the solution, and then enter the name, and then enter the email ID. If you want to enter the mailing street, then you can. Otherwise, click on the create button, and we can see that our contact is created successfully.